going to the Forbidden Forest. We're gonna see Aragog. Aragog is my favorite. He's my.
It's very nice, no?
Yeah, but it's creepy.
Look like
Buckbeak.
Buckbeak is there. Hi, Buckbeak.
Hi, Buckbeak.
It's very nice.
Daddy, Buckbeak.
Buckbeak. You
He went back so I can touch him.
Yeah, you can touch.
Or I can ride him.
Here.
Nope, I cannot. Get a nice bow, Harry.
Wow!
It was when the car was wrecked because it bumped on the place, right?
Yeah. Aragog's over there, I think.
It's not there.
It's trying to get out. Look. Mommy, look. What are those?
Centro. Ano center? Centers.
Centaurs. Ah. Dementor.
Dementors.
Expelliarmus. Expecto Patronum.
Ang galing.
Expecto Patronum.
Dali.
Creepy.
The other side.
Expecto Patronum.
Ah, that's your ano. That's your Patronus killing, right? Yeah.
It's a wolf.
It's a wolf talaga eh. Oh.
No.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Eh, ano? Mag-explain.
Give me a light.
Come here.
I'm scared.
Ayun ang daddy mo. Kasi ano yung kaibigan na natin ito?
Don't like to see that big. I don't like.
This is our
Oh, ayun o. Ano to?
It's gonna make me more scared. It's matawat alam.
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Welcome to Hagrid's hut, home of Rubeus Hagrid, the keeper of keys and grounds at Hogwarts, and his faithful companion, Fang.
Go to little doctor.
Welcome to the night bus, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard. My name is Stan Shunpike and I will be your conductor for this evening. What you doing down there?
Oh! Here.
Meanwhile, a few minutes later.
Guys, these are the Nimbus 2000. Guys, this is the golden egg in the Triwizard Cup. You have to put it underwater and then open it, and then you hear like music. And then this is the Triwizard Cup, and it's used for the fire. Cause the name of that movie in the Harry Potter's the Goblet of Fire. So this is the goblet, and then there's fire in it. That's blue. And then this one is the golden egg. Let's go to Gryffindor. We're in Gryffindor. I don't like you, Slytherin.
Hello and welcome to Hogwarts' first Quidditch game of the season. Today's game, Slytherin versus Gryffindor.
Madam Hooch steps out onto the field to begin the game.
Now I want a nice, clean game.
The bludgers erupt. The quaffle is released and the game begins. He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points.
The moles, and out of those moles came 4 full-size phoenixes made out of hard foam, which had a steel structure inside. At that point, Paul Westcott, head of the scenic paint department, and his teams came in to work their magic.
Who's this one?
Check ano number? What number?
30. 30.
Nicholas Flamel.
Flamel. Nicholas Flamel, the Sorcerer's Stonemaker.
Yeah? Oh, very good oh.
31. Leta Lestrange. Leta Lestrange. I do not know. Wait, I think that's the mother of Draco.
Yes, very good.
Molly Weasley, number 9. Molly Weasley. The mother of Ron Weasley. Arthur Weasley, the father of Ron Weasley. Mommy the Death Eater mask. Mommy the Death Eater mask. This is the brooms. Broom of I do not know. Of the rebel gloves. Who's that? I know.
Molly? Anak ni ano? Ni Weasley?
Yeah, but there's so many. There's only Ron and Fred and George. Yeah, there's a crazy Hermione's cone. Hermione. Hermione. I might fit in it even though she's already a teenager, but I'm not. The monster dog.
scattered stuff. Scattered.
Ah, he's going to give you a coin.